Yeah. Today we're gonna be having Animal Company's Got Talent. Let's see our first contestant.
Hello.
Hello.
My name
What's your talent?
is Omni-Man, and I'm
Hello,
going to be showing
Omni-Man.
you my dance moves. I have a couple dance moves in mind. First, I have the worm.
What are these dance moves?
Well, they're really good. And then I got the twerk off.
Cat.
And last but not least, I have I forgot what it was called. But hey, I'm not done.
What's your next
I'm not
one?
done. I'm not done.
What's your next
I'm not
one?
done. Well, I just want you to rate my haircut out of 10.
0.